How to make child in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply add earth on your board, then add earth on top of it and you would be able to create mountain. Now add water on your board and add water to it. It will create a lake. Now add this lake to mountain and you would be able to get Zod. Now add water to Zod and you would be able to create whale. Now you need to add earth on your board. After that add wind to it. And after that you would be getting dust. Now add this dust to whale and you would get sperm. Now add dust to your sperm. Let me search for dust and add it. You would get baby. Now search for baby and add it on top of baby. And this way you would get child. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.